Hi guys, welcome to another video. I have just come back from New York. I am so excited to tell you all about it. But while I was there, I broke every single rule that I set for myself. I bought a colour I don't like. I bought a bag new from store, even though it's so expensive. I bought pre-loved. Oh, I bought so many things that I said I wasn't going to buy. So many rules broken. What did I buy? Am I mad about it? Did I do the right thing? Let's get going. So guys, there are so many things I need to tell you about. There is far too much for one video. So this is going to be a series of videos, but we're going to start with a bang because I have two luxury bag unboxings today for you, and they are not the only ones that I bought, so hang fire. I'm going to explain exactly what happened. I'm going to show you some vlog footage because I know you guys have asked for it, and I'm going to unbox these two bags. So I'm going to do it separately. Just let's get going because I am so excited. And wait for later because I'm going to show you a piece that I picked up that I never even knew existed. And I never even knew I needed it in my world. Anyway, hang fire for that, guys, because it is literally insane. So guys, we went to Fashion File. Now I could do a whole video just on Fashion File, and I might do that actually. I might do that. But I did buy more than one thing at Fashion File. I'm going to reveal one of those today for you guys because I just need to show you this. This is a bag that I have been wanting for ever, and it was on my wish list for New York and I managed to find it. But oh my goodness, how can I be sure that this is authentic? How can I? Anyway, let's get it open and then I will explain all. So it doesn't come in a box, it doesn't even come in a dust bag, but it came with a Fashion File dust bag. So there we go. Any guesses, guys, what you think it is? It is, honestly, look at this. This is the Speedy 30 in the graffiti. This is from, I don't even know what year, I need to have a look, but this is from the Steven Sprouse collaboration, and I wanted this so badly when it first came out and I just could not afford it, and so this is a real piece of nostalgia for me. I went for the orange. It came in also fuchsia, and I think there was a lime green, which was gorgeous as well, but orange was the one for me. It is in amazing condition. Oh, it doesn't come with a shoulder strap because the Speedies didn't in those days. They were purely hand carry bags. Oh, it's just wonderful. Just look at the condition of this. It's got a really lovely patina. Oh, just so excited to have this. I really am. This is just going to go so well with my, well, in my collection with all my outfits and everything else. I can just see how I'm going to style this. I love it. Now before we get on, hang fire because I have other things to show you, but the reason I went for this one was the nostalgia. I just really love it. What I was really scared about was the authenticity. Now, I know that we can buy things from many retailers and we just trust that that retailer has done their own due diligence, that they have done their authentication in-house. But I'm just going to show you a little bit of footage here because in Fashion File there is I think you might have seen it on other people's YouTube videos before, but they have a little section where they ask you to try and work out which you think is the fake one. So there was a Speedy and there was a classic flat, so Louis Vuitton and Chanel, and I think that I am fairly knowledgeable of bags. And I took a guess at both of them and I got one correct and I got one completely wrong. So there you go. Even me, who has quite a lot of knowledge, I cannot trust myself to authenticate something because those bags, they were so good. The fake ones were so good. And a lot of us that actually had a go at that little quiz, a lot of us got it wrong. So it does show you that you have to know your stuff. So yes, I could completely and utterly just trust that Fashionphile has done their authentication on this, but what I wanted to do was do my own authentication on it to be absolutely sure of what I was buying. So I just would like to introduce my sponsor of this video, and that is Legit Grails. Now, I have worked with Legit Grails before and they are fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. They're fabulous to work with. The customer service is amazing. But overall, they just give you the peace of mind if you're wanting to buy something, especially something like this, the Speedy, particularly in the graffiti. They are really, really well copied, and there are many replicas of these on the market. So something like this particular style, I was very keen to get this authenticated by a third party for my own peace of mind. So I'll put here on the screen the process that I went through. I went for the 30-minute. It's amazing. Honestly, they use AI and they also use humans in order to just get that double-pronged attack on it, and you can get your answer in 30 minutes. So if you are in a store, or if you are thinking of buying something maybe online and you've got some photographs, you can send them and you can make a decision really quickly before you actually buy the bag. Or in my case, I was having too much fun in Fashionphile. I was. So what I actually did, in all transparency, was I did buy this, and then I did the authentication while I was still in New York, so I could have gone back and sorted out any issues. I am pleased to say that it is authentic and I have no worries about it. Now, it just gave me that extra little bit of peace of mind. So yeah, if you're thinking of buying or selling, from which angle you're doing it, it's just worth using this service. It is so quick and easy. You just literally put the photos in, you send it off. If they need extra photos or more clarification or something, they will let you know. I got my answer back well within the 30 minutes, and I therefore got a certificate. Anyway, all good. So thank you to Legit Grails for sponsoring this video. You gave me some peace of mind when I was buying something that was pre-loved, because I'm still quite new to buying pre-loved, and much as I think I have a lot of knowledge, I can sometimes get it wrong. I can. So this was the first one that I bought and I absolutely love it. It's got the lock on here. The zipper compartment is just, oh, the zipper's wonderful. Buttery soft, as everyone says. The interior, now this has got, it's not green interior, it's got a cushion in there, but the interior is lovely. It comes with the little card still in there, and also I got a Fashionphile nail file, which is just amazing. So thank you for that. So yes, this is the first one that I bought. What do we think, guys? I'm so excited to have this. It is so light. I love the Speedy, so I'm surely adding more and more to my Speedy collection. So this is the first one that I bought. Then after leaving Fashionphile, if that wasn't enough, we decided we needed to go into Soho in New York, and we thought, let's go to What Goes Around Comes Around. We have heard, all of us have heard so much about this store. Really good reputation as a reseller. And actually, what was interesting with What Goes Around Comes Around is they actually own all the stock. So they've already bought in that stock from various places. So that stock is theirs to sell. It's not a consignment, it is literally their stock, so that's quite interesting. And I will tell you the whole story about what happened with this particular bag. But let's get it open. Again, it didn't come in a box. It didn't come with a dust bag, an original dust bag. It doesn't matter, I have got loads of them. But it did come in What Goes Around Comes Around dust bag. Now, any ideas what this might be? I don't think anyone will guess, because I didn't even know that this existed until I saw it. So let me present to you. I'll try and get it out of the bag. Just look. I might get it the right way around. Just look at this. Honestly, has anyone ever seen such a cool retro vintage piece? This is just absolutely insanely beautiful. I did not know this bag existed. Now this is called the Cabas, bag. It is not the original drop of denim, which I think was 2005. I believe this was in 2006. So it has a lot of the hallmark, the trademark details of that era. But yeah, this wasn't the first actual drop, and it is in like a striped denim, and the denim itself is fabulous. You've got the Louis Vuitton here, and it's got all the vachetta, it is absolutely immaculate, absolutely immaculate. So this is the back, the sides, and then the underneath, and it does have feet. And then inside it is the traditional mustard colour, and it's got all the different, you can see all the different compartments. Let me try and get this open. There's zipper compartment at the front. There's so many different areas to this bag, and it's a big slouchy bag. It also has a gorgeous shoulder strap, which is actually attached, so you can see here. So you can actually wear this on the shoulder or crossbody. This is going to be a fabulous travel bag for me. I just think, oh, I just love it so much. I just love the red with it. Now, I've never mentioned this bag because I didn't know that it existed. But what I did know was that a lot of the denim pieces from Louis Vuitton were copied. There are quite a lot of replicas, shall we say. And because I hadn't seen this design myself before, that was a little bit of a red flag for me. And again, what goes around comes around. They do their in-house authentication and everything else. But I, again, wanted just a third party to look at this. I wanted to be happy that this was real, because as I say, they are easily copied in the denim, and also this wasn't a style that I knew, in which case did somebody just make a style and it's a fake one, or did this actually exist at the time? Now, so again, I used Legit Grails because I just wanted that peace of mind. Now, I did have the Oracle with me, the Oracle, otherwise known as Meredith, because she is very, very knowledgeable, particularly of this era of Louis Vuitton. She has a huge collection, and she was absolutely all over this one and looking at it for me, and she was absolutely sure. But again, we just want that third party authentication from a company that has the database to back all this up. So I'm again pleased to announce that this has been authenticated, and yeah, I'm so happy. So this was a bag that I honestly didn't know that I needed in my world. Now, the story behind this one was, to be honest, I pointed it out to Meredith because I know that she collects the denim pieces. But this isn't the collection that she is actually collecting. This is from the year after. So this wasn't one that was on her radar. And I was sneakily quite glad when she said, no, that's not one that I'm looking for. Because I thought, oh, well, I might be looking for it. So I couldn't put it down. I literally could not put it down. And I'd already been to Fashion File. There's a whole new video based on that. And yeah, I broke all my rules by thinking, I've set myself a budget and I've already gone over it, and now I'm buying this. So yes, hey ho, I decided I wasn't going to leave it in New York. I didn't think I'd ever see one like this again, particularly at that price, particularly at this condition. It is literally like new. So I just went for it. So I have broken pretty much every rule that I set for myself. The number of bags that I was going to buy, the amount of money I was going to spend, the fact that I wasn't going to pay over the odds for anything, the fact that I wasn't going to buy something new from store, that's for another video, in amazing store anyway. It might have come in an orange box. Anyway, that's for another video. But yeah, I broke every rule. I am not mad about it because I was still very sensible in my choices. I didn't pay fully over the odds for something. sort of. I will explain later when another video comes, but I feel like I have covered myself and been very sensible. I've used legit grails to be absolutely sure that what I was buying was authentic. So overall, I am more than happy. I'm more than happy with my purchases. So guys, they are my first 2. There are so many more to come. So many more to come, so keep watching. But thank you to Legit Grails for sponsoring this video. Honestly, you're a delight to work with, and you've given me absolute peace of mind for pieces that I couldn't be 100% sure about myself. So thank you guys, and yeah, onwards and upwards to the next videos, because as I say, there's plenty to come. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on another one.